Hello, welcome to Hair Wash Friday with PlatonicRose Regiment, where I help you become masters of your own beauty and your babies as well. Today we're going to be making some banana hair mask for moisturizing, hydration, and also to prevent hair loss. So keep watching. I'll see you in the video. So for adding ingredients, I'm going to be adding Fenugreek powder. You can use Fenugreek seed if you prefer, and 1 bananas. I'm going to mash up on bananas, which is really good in terms of hydration and help moisturize your hair. It has vitamin B and then also potassium, which aid in keeping dandruff off your hair. The same can be said for Fenugreek powder. I'm just putting my paste into my bananas. Fenugreek powder is really good in terms of strengthening your hair follicles and overall promoting hair growth. So I'm going to mix those two together, and then we're going to move on to my hot mixture. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my whisk for emulsifier and just blending the water and the oil mixture, and then I'm going to add some cetyl alcohol to it, as well as some glycerin for extra humectant. So I need the moisture to be locked into our hair until I'm ready for the next hair wash day. So I'm going to mix those all up together after that, and then I'm going to get ready for my oil mixture. I'm going to go ahead and leave the oil mixture in the description below, but I'm using my oil blend today in my Jamaican Black Castro Oil. I already made that. I'm going to come up with another video to show you guys how I do my oil blend. I should definitely do that. I've been wanting to do that for a while now, but I have been forgetting. So I'm going to add in some essential oil as well, and I'm going to have all the instructions in the description below. So I'm adding in some pomegranate oil just for a little bit more texture, to add that texture to it here. And then mix that all up, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my bananas and fenugreek, and then mix that up real nice. So now I'm going to add some Zanthan Gum to it for thickening. So I like to use this especially on the day that I'm feeling really lazy and don't want to like make a lot of product. So I'm going to use this. This is a one-time wash stuff, so it works. So I'm just going to blend that until it thickens, and that's how much it thickens. This is going to be really good. It looks good. It's going to keep moisture locked in your hair. And so I'm going to then apply it to her hair. As you guys can see, I mean, our hair is not like, it's not too bad, but as you guys can see, the frizz is starting to show up a little bit in the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and you can see how it brings the curl out. It just loosens the curls up a little bit more and makes the texture look really fine, and then it detangles the hair, it adds in moisture and all that. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next video.